Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you top 5 Google Chrome tips and tricks you didn't know. So let's get started. Open your Chrome browser, select your profile. Now in the search box, type 100 USD, 100 USD to INR. Now press the enter. Now I will show you you can change a unit of currency converter by typing this. You can change any currency by clicking on it here. If you want to change 100 euros, type 100 euros. You can see 200 rupees. It will show the latest exchange rate without needing another website. Now moving to our second trick. Now how to open closed tabs. Sometimes we close the tab accidentally. You can reopen it by pressing these keys. I will show the keys on the your screen. Just type Control plus Shift plus T. So it will open your closed tab and it will reopen it. Now moving to our third trick, it's group and organize your tabs. If you always have too many tabs, try to tab groups. Just right click a tab and add tab to the group. For example, it's my tab is open, just right click on it. Okay, I have to close it, sorry. Now right click on the tab. Now you can see add tab to a new group, so you can customize tabs according to your need by naming a group. You can also add your social media tabs to a group name social media as well as your business tab, so you can arrange your group. So for making a group, click on add tab to a new group. Now it will select ask you for the group name. You can select the name as per your need. Now moving to our fourth trick is enable the reader mode for distraction-free reading. Yes, you can also enable reader mode in Google Chrome. For doing this, go to Chrome Flex. Chrome. Now you can see here Chrome Flex option. Click on it. For enabling reader mode, you have to search reader mode in here. Now you can Now you can see here I've already enabled in my Google Chrome browser reading mode read aloud. Just enable it and you will able to use reader mode on your supported pages. Now last not the least, search directly inside website from the address. Yes, you can do it. Just type the site's name, press tab and enter the search query. For example, for searching for iPhone reviews directly inside YouTube Chrome bars. This works perfectly for YouTube, Amazon, Wikipedia, and more and more. Like for example, I want to open Canva. I can directly go to Canva by just searching on my tab. It saves my time, and also I don't have to open multiple tabs for searching a website. And that's it. 5 awesome Chrome tricks to make your browsing faster and smarter. So guys, let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.